Altitude convergence, the radar has locked on the ground.
Yes.
Standing by for lander separation.
Carrier interruption on Marco Alpha and Marco Bravo.
Lander separation commanded. Altitude 600 meters. Gravity turn, altitude 400 meters.
We're getting there.
300 meters. 200 meters. 80 meters. 60 meters. 50 meters, constant velocity. 37 meters. 30 meters. 20 meters. 17 meters, standing by for touchdown. Touchdown confirmed.
This never gets old.
No, it doesn't, Rob. Control room just erupted.
Fabulous,
Shaking
fabulous.
hands with the Marco team there.
Christine, you did great. Tim Preiser, one of the key designers at Lockheed. Sandy Krasner, what a great team. What a great. This is really fabulous.
Fantastic news.
Thank you.
Lots of fist bumping going on in there. What a relief. We've cut over to the camera over in Times Square. Boy, people are weathering the rain to see this.
Deep Space Network. There's also something that might be happening now if we're very lucky. InSight might be able to relay an image or a partial image taken just a couple minutes after landing. So I'm standing by hoping to see that. But if that doesn't happen, we'll certainly get more images later in our Odyssey pass in about 5 hours.
We see Bruce Banner waiting for it.
There they are.
I don't know if they see it yet.
They're waiting. That's Justin Mackey and Bruce Banner looking carefully at the cameras to see what they might see. They're waiting for the image to come back.
So this is the first image from InSight itself. InSight is taking a picture with one of its two cameras. It's probably a view of what's directly in front of the spacecraft, right in front of the lander. This is a camera that it would be using to figure out, is this a good space?
Exactly.
Is it a good place to put down our instruments? So it is going to take an image and then send that image to the Marcos. The Marcos, in turn, will relay it back down to Earth.
That's correct. They got it. Oh, now.
Let's
just wait. Let's see what they saw. There it is. Whoa, right. Look at a great place. That's a good scene. That's not far from where we'll be able to deploy the instruments. So it's great. I don't see a lot of.
Let's explain that image. Now, this image has a dust cover on top of it.
EDLCom, we have lost the signal for Marco.
You can see potentially a lot of
radio science reports
debris that might be on the camera.
For UHF.
So we don't know what I'm looking at.
Thank you, everybody on EDLCom.
All right.
Yeah. Yay, Marco. Congratulations.
Meantime,
oh, there it is. You can see a better view. You can see that really is debris. And there's the horizon back there, the bluish sky. That's part of the lander deck on the front left. I can't make out, but it looks like there's not a lot of rocks in the field of view. But those dots you see there are very likely to be dust particles on the lens, the dust cover, which will be removed.
And we'll get another shot later on.
Yes. And a better, clearer view after the dust cover is removed. So InSight's, CubeSat's relay communications job is done. They're now flying on. They're now taking pictures back toward Mars. Hopefully, MRO, which flew overhead, might have been lucky enough to capture the descent of this InSight lander under its parachute. While this was going on, MRO was flying overhead, recording the data, also monitoring the transactions and recording every bit of signal it could. But it also had the ability to take a picture, and maybe like we did with both Phoenix and later for Curiosity rover, we might be able to see the parachute inflated as well.
That would be fantastic. We are standing by now for that X-band beep.
Yes.
InSight phoning home saying, I'm here and I'm okay.